Bicol region or Region 5 is composed of 6 provinces. Albay is known for the Mayon volcano with its perfect cone.
Camarines Norte is the home of the sweetest pineapple. Camarines Sur is the wakeboarding capital of the Philippines. Catanduanes is the abaca capital of the Philippines. Masbate is the wild west of the south, the rodeo capital of the Philippines. Sorsogon is known as the Putanding capital of the Philippines. There are 6.1 million Bicolanos in the 1.8 million hectares of Bicolandia, with about 700,000 farmers and fishers cultivating 0.9 million hectares. Top 5 rice producer in the country with 40% or over 344,000 hectares of its agriculture area is devoted to rice. We also have corn, abaca,
Coconut,
pili, cacao, pineapple, and taro. We are famous. Pili is an export commodity of Bicol which comprises 84% of the Philippines' production on pili, and we are able to bring it to the United States and Asian countries. In 2023, pili was able to make it to the European market. We are top producer of taro or gabi leaves with our average of 20,000 metric tons production in 2022, making our land known for laing and pinangat. Our kamote or sweet potato with 93,000 metric tons produced in 2022 made Bicol second largest producer in the country. The Formosa Queen pineapple of Camarines Norte placed Bicol region as the third largest producer of pineapple in the country, contributing 6.14% national share. Bicol is also famous for its hot pepper, which puts the region as the fourth largest producer with about 1,500 metric tons production or 14% share in national output. We focus on farm clustering and consolidation, having 29,000 hectares of agricultural areas clustered under the F2C2, comprising 128 clusters, 250 farmer cooperatives and associations, and 33,000 members. Bicol remains bird flu free for our chicken and duck production. Bicol ranks 6th among the regions in cattle production and 7th in carabao production. We even have our regional carabao breeding center in Masbate. Despite the region's continuous battle with the African swine fever, Bicol ranked 8th in hog production in 2023, contributing 5.92% share to the national output. We move forward. We prioritize food safety and the prevention and control of animal and plant diseases with our integrated laboratories complex, which houses the Regional Soils Laboratory, Regional Crops Protection Center, Regional Animal Disease Diagnostic Laboratory, Regional Feeds Analysis Laboratory. We are proud of our Rice Climate Mitigation Center. Being supported by the DA is the Adaptation Mitigation Initiatives in Agriculture or AMIA, which has 15 AMIA villages established, producing an awardee of Philippine Resilience Awards, Miss Mila Bongalbal of Oroan, TV Albay. We continue to serve. With the implementation of the different banner programs of the DA, the Rice Program, Corn, High-Value Crops, Livestock and Poultry, Organic Agriculture, and Halal Food Industry Development Program, and with the special projects such as Philippine Rural Development Project or PRDP, Special Area for Agriculture Development or SAAD. Among others, the DA Bicol is aggressively pushing the agricultural development of the Bicol region and delivery of our services to attain the twin goals of masaganang agrikultura at maunlad na ekonomiya. We are being visited by typhoons, we experience earthquakes as well as volcanic eruptions, but we remain resilient, for we are the Oragons. Welcome to Bicol.